Hi, it's Mike.
In Microsoft Planner, if a task is overdue, it'll be indicated by a red box here. So you can see that that one is outstanding and past its date. These dates here show you when these are due, and the completed the tasks go here. You can drop down and see that who was completed that. If you go on schedule, it gives you a calendar of when everything is due and what's coming up. And on charts, it just gives you a brief summary of what's been done. You've got one that's late, two in progress and one completed. And then these are your buckets here. So that'll change with whatever you set those to.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you would like help with other Microsoft tools or programs, please check out our knowledge base portal or contact us with your request.